We are doing SS welding, right, brother? So there is a motor over here. There is a crack, and we are going to repair this kind of crack by NSS 308 rod. This is what you are going to put oil?
Yeah, very broken. Too much.
Yeah. No, what you are putting this one?
Oil.
Oil. Normal oil?
Yeah, yeah.
Epoxy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I will get from the same hardware.
No, market. It's a double.
Do black and grey mixture.
Black and red. Yeah.
Black and red.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So after welding SS NS308, we are going to apply this epoxy steel.
Let's come back this one.
Finally, in the conclusion, as this material is cast aluminum fabrication and we try to make it SS welding and epoxy steel chemical, the paste to apply it, but still it was leaking, and because of this old unit it started another crack over here. And I try to search in the market this head, which is not available at the moment, so that's why we are suffering because of lack of water. So therefore I bought the new unit, same, and this is the brand Maxi Pro. So hope this is the capacity of 1 HP and soundless, so hope it will work it out. And whereas we don't have this one, probably the same, but anyway, this is the, so at the end it's failed our the treatment for the repairing. So I just wanted to let you guys, if somebody is looking, so it's very hard, and if somebody is did it like this kind of stuff, just please below me comment. And that's it. So hope you like this my particularly video. Wish you all the best, stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.